Hey everyone, if you want to create stunning AI-generated artwork, illustrations, or realistic images without advanced design skills, Pixlr AI can help. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI images in Pixlr from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Pixlr website and sign in to your account. If you don't already have an account, create one using your email address or another available sign-in option. Once you're logged in, navigate to the AI Tools section and look for the AI Image Generator feature. This is where you'll create images using text prompts. Next, enter a description of the image you want to generate. Be as specific as possible. For example, instead of writing cat, you might write a realistic orange cat sitting on a wooden table during sunset with soft lighting. After entering your prompt, choose the style or image type you want. Depending on the available options, you may be able to select styles such as realistic, digital art, fantasy, anime, illustration, or other creative looks. After the export is complete, download the image to your device and use it wherever you need it. For the best results, write detailed prompts, experiment with different styles, and generate multiple versions before choosing your final image. And that's how to create AI images in Pixlr in 2026. With just a text prompt and a few clicks, you can generate unique visuals for a wide range of creative projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.